Hi. So for my SLE, I decided to work with the Makery Cake Company in Centennial, Colorado. They're an incredibly talented staff there, and I learned a lot about decorating, and it was a good time. But one of the things that I noticed when I was there is that the Makery, they use pre-mixed cake mix and frosting. This doesn't really affect taste or presentation, but if you look, here it is. If you look on most household cake mixes, the first ingredient you'll see is enriched bleached wheat flour. Why this is important is because first, wheat starts with the whole grain. It starts with the bran, the germ, and the endosperm. How it is changed into enriched wheat flour is it's basically stripped of the bran and the germ, and that takes away all of the fiber and the natural vitamin Bs and all of the good nutrients that comes naturally. And then basically they fill it up back in with artificial vitamins, and it strips it of all of its natural fibers. And they basically do this to increase shelf life. But the reason why this is so bad for us is because one ounce of enriched bleached white flour contains 0 grams of fiber. 1 ounce of whole grain wheat contains 3. This might sound like an insignificant number, but why would we strip a natural thing that is given to us of its vitamins and nutrients when we could just eat it naturally? The reason why I'm standing here telling you all these useless facts about grains is because when I was in the Makery creating all these beautiful cakes, I was wondering, why don't we ask what's in our food? Why does society subscribe to these man-made ingredients that contribute to the foods that harm our bodies? As humans, we tend to have very strong emotional connections with our food, but we also have the ability to disconnect ourselves from the sources that our food comes from. Another example of this is pigs and livestock in general. Every day in the US, more than 65 million pigs are factory farmed, and every year over 110 million are killed for human consumption. And it's not just about killing these animals, it's also about the way we treat them. Every year in the US, millions of male piglets are castrated, usually without any pain medication. This is done to prevent the taste of boar taint. For those of you who don't know, boar taint is the taste or odor of that can be detected when eating or cooking pigs, and it comes from male pigs that aren't castrated. I'm telling you all these things not to guilt trip you into becoming a vegetarian or anything like that, but because, like Marshall said, food is the most important thing in my life. And I really care about the way it's treated and the way it's grown. And I just wanted to put this picture up here because next time you stroll down the food aisles and you see all this delicious food, just think about where it comes from and how it's made. Thank you so much.